Swann Link app not working. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and let us get started. First of all, make sure that your Swann application is updated. Head over to your Play Store and at the top search bar, type in Swann Link app. If you see update beside the app's name, it means it needs updation, so tap onto update and update your app. Once done, head over to your settings. Here scroll below onto apps and search for Swann. For instance, if this is your Swann application, you have to tap on the storage and clear the data. Before that, make sure that you remember your credentials, then tap on delete. Once done, see if this fixes your app not working problem. In case you are still facing that issue, you have to uninstall that application entirely from your device and reinstall it again. Once done, you have to get logged into your account, and that shall definitely fix the problem. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.